Good morning, YouTube. I'm going to talk about a pretty important piece of maintenance that you should do to your RV at least once a year. If you recall, I had a previous video on checking the connections within your power distribution center inside of your RV where your fuse box and whatnot are. Another area that I was reminded by on social media that we should really be checking the automatic transfer relay as well. There are also connection points in there. So I'm going to demonstrate how to just open up and check the connections within a automatic transfer relay. Specifically, my model is a 5100 series made by Progressive Dynamics. So note that some models may vary, but the procedure should be similar. All right, so before you get started, the first thing that you really need to do is make sure your RV is unplugged from any shore power. You can see I have a 50 amp plug here in my garage, 30 amp RV. I just wired it 50 amps just in case I ever upgrade and I don't have to turn around and redo it. So first thing first, let's pull it out. Okay, I'm here at the doorway entry door of my RV, and the other thing that I recommend to do, just because the potential for power to be created by your inverter, even if it's turned off, is to disconnect your batteries. You see here on the left is my use store battery switch, so I'm going to turn it off and you'll see everything go dark. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, after you unplug your RV, physically unplug it from shore power, don't have a generator running, pretty obvious. I also like to turn off the batteries using the battery store switch. So I've already done those. So the first thing on this particular model, there's two little push connectors here on the side. You can take a little screwdriver, push in on this and pop it out. Do the same thing here on the top. The lid just pops out. And what you'll see on the inside here is, along right here, these are where your ground points are. And then you can see the different terminals here within the switch where your generator lines, your shore power lines, and the line that goes into the RV. This is where they're all connected. So what you want to do here is just take, for this particular model, you'll need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. The flathead specifically is for these ground points. And they were pretty good. And then the Phillips head screwdriver, at least on this particular model, to go around and connect and check your Phillips. So you want to check these wires specifically so you don't have any additional resistance due to a loose connection. Resistance in electrical systems results in heat, especially when you have a lot of draw, like from an air conditioner or whatnot. Heat can cause things to catch fire or ultimately burn your RV down, which is definitely something that would be bad. So it's good practice just to check these things at least on an annual basis, if not more. Mine weren't particularly loose, not nearly as loose as what was in the electrical load center, if you go back to one of my previous videos. So once you're done, you just, on this particular model, you just catch the little ears here on the side and you pop it on. And that's it. So thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you found this informative. Please check out my other content that I have posted here. I'm trying to create a series of videos showing different maintenance or upgrades you can do to your RV. And feel free to subscribe to my channel to be notified of new content. Thank you.